dance back and forth. You see that? The rope wraps all the way around his body. He keeps it alive with just one hand. Back and forth he goes. Takes a skip and will make all shots. Now watch as he pops that whip. Each and every time it cracks, it breaks the sound barrier. That's how fast it has to go. Cracking them in unison. He transitions to the Australian-made point whip. 20 feet from stem to stern. Gosh, that's cool. And now the husband and wife will come together. Still a little housekeeping. Trim that streamer. No, wait a minute. She holds it just inches from her face. You guys want to see it do again? Wow. Is that not awesome? Tell me, buddy, she deserves that flower. Wait a minute. Oh, she wants to pop the whip. Let's see if she can get the flower right out.